Sir, Honorable Speaker, sir, this is the book tabled in the House. Sir, by Honorable Irrigation Minister Saab. Chief Minister Saab बोल रहे हैं कि he didn't expect from me कि I am wrong, he's saying. ठीक है, I don't mind, sir. Individuals are not important. State and the people are more important. I mean, hundreds and thousands like Akbar Owaisi can be sacrificed for the state, give their life for the people, and I have done it also. Sir, now, in this book, page number 32, sir, the Commission of Inquiry, if I am wrong, I may be corrected. Commission of Inquiry, government-wide GOMS number 6, dated 14/03/24, has appointed Honorable Justice Sri Pinaka Chandra Ghosh, former Judge of Supreme Court of India, to conduct an inquiry on certain allegations and irregularities and embezzlement of public fund by corrupt practices in construction of barrage at Madigada, Anaram, Sundila, Kaleshwaram project. The same was notified in Extraordinary Gazette on 14/3/2024. The term of references, Gazette dated 14/0/2024, listed below have been issued with the clear intent of identifying the various lacunas, deficiencies, wrongdoing, corrupt and malified practices, if any, and to identify the guilty parties and perpetrators who caused such huge loss to the public exchequer. To inquiry into the negligence, irregularities, lacuna in planning, designing and construction of Madigada, Anaram, Sundila barrage. To inquire into the manner of award of execution of contract, including but not limited to deviation in contract and following the strict financial disciplines of execution of such contracts. To inquire into negligence of lacuna in operation of maintenance of 3 barrages by agencies concerned in the department, thereby leading to major damages of structure. To inquire into quality control of monitoring aspect, negligence and other malpractice agency, contractors and department. To inquire, identify and fix up responsibilities for any authority officials who extended undue favors in agencies, contractors in term allowing unjustified EOTs, extension time, wrong completion of work certificate, premature release of bank guarantees and such other matter. The Commission shall fix responsibilities for the lapses as identified by it during its inquiry into the above matters and financial implications or lapses as identified any other matter that might be referred by the government at the later date. Now, sir, last point says, any other matter that might be referred by the government at the later date. So, I just want to know, have you referred any other matter in the later date which I as a legislature is not aware? Is one question. Sir, second, I am once again reiterating my claim and saying that the Commission did not take into consideration the CAG report, Vigilance report, NDSA report and Expert Committee report. It clearly said in this report that it is not in its terms of references. And now, when we have to go, I have said about vigilance. Sir, I have said about the vigilance, sir. इसमें clear लिखा हुआ है, sir. In the above fact and circumstances, the Commission does not prefer to review the interim and final report submitted by the Vigilance and Enforcement Directorate of the Government of Telangana. The government is at liberty to take the appropriate steps. Then, it is there, the report of National Dam Security, sir. National Dam Security, sir, there also on page number, again 662, sir. It is saying, sir, it is evident from the orders of this Commission referred to above, it is abundantly clear that the Commission has not directed or empowered the Expert Committee to take up or issue direction towards repair rectification barrage. Therefore, the government has reconstituted the Expert Committee containing the 4 experts in the field of reconstituting the Expert Committee, later filed its interim report. ये सब बोलते हुए सर फिर बोल रहे हैं सर लास्ट में नेक्स्ट पेज में 664. I fail to understand. In that they are saying the National Dam Safety Authority is an expert body and its final report is the outcome of technical study and examination. Commission does not, अब आप देखिए sir, the Commission does not wish to review the same. The government is at liberty to take steps to pursuant to the final report of National Dam Security as suggested by it in accordance with law.